Hi everyone, how are you? This is Ahmed again. Have you been to one of the countries in the Middle East, such as Jordan or Lebanon or Syria or occupied Palestine? If you have been there before during the month of Ramadan, for sure you had this special sweet which we present in the month of Ramadan in the Middle East. It's called Qatayef. Today we're gonna make this kind of sweet at home, and if you're interested you can watch this video to learn how to make it at home. Let's go and see what's the ingredients which we need. Okay, as you see here, this is the ingredients. First thing, we need to make the syrup. For the syrup we need 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, equal cups. Okay, this is for the syrup. For the dough we need 2 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of semolina. We need 2 teaspoons of sugar. We need 1/2 spoon of yeast. We need 1/4 spoon of baking powder and 1/4 spoon of baking soda. Also we need 3 cups of the water. Of course it's going to be the same cup for the flour, the size of it. We need for the stuffing, we need some cinnamon, coconut, as you see, walnut, cream, and pistachios. Of course you can stuff it whatever you want of the nuts. You can stuff it with cheese also. So let's start, and first thing we're gonna do the syrup. So we pour the sugar and the water, and we turn on the stove, and we keep it for like 15 minutes, and then we add like 1 drop or 2 drops of lemon juice. Okay, and now we're gonna make the dough. Okay, we'll put the semolina, 1/4 cup, and 2 cups of flour. All of them, of course, it's gonna be on top of the water. 3 cups of water, as we said before. Then we'll add the sugar, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. And about the baking powder and baking soda, we're gonna put it, we're gonna add it later on. Just we have to mix now using the electric mixer. Of course, we keep mixing for like 4 minutes, and then after that we add the baking soda and the baking powder. Now after like 4 minutes, after 4 minutes mixing, we will add the baking soda and the baking powder. And we'll mix it for 1 minute. After that, we will let it set for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will start baking the dough. Okay, now after like 15 minutes, we're gonna start baking. Of course, you can make the size which you like, small, big, whatever. We chose to do this size right now. Of course, the temperature, it's medium temperature. First thing, we heat the frying pan very well, and then we put it in medium temperature. If you notice, it's almost done, but we leave it for like a few seconds. I did use, of course, the regular frying pan, but it has to be thick, of course. Now we're gonna see how, let's see. So this is the way, how it's supposed to be. and we put it on the side to cool it down. And we will make the second one and the third one. We're gonna make smaller than this size to stuff it with cream also. As you see here, we made this Qatayef, and we let it cool down a little bit, and then we put it together and we set it here. It's ready to stuff it. Now we're gonna make this small size of Qatayef. This is what we call it in Arabic, asafir. It's like a bite. We stuff it with the cream, and it's like one bite. So let's make this small size for now, this way. Okay, now after we finish, as you see here, the big size and the small size, the bites, we're gonna start making the bites, and we're gonna stuff it with cream. So we do it this way, close it from the back, and it's like 1 spoon of cream. We stuff it this way, and then some pistachios. And here, it's up to you. I prepare some roses, leaves, make it looks nice. Put it in the plate this way. Make another one. Same thing. Some pistachios, flowers, or roses, leaves. Put it here. Okay, as you see right now, we finished this plate. Of course, this is not sweet at all. So this is the syrup which we made from the beginning, the 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. After boiling it for like half an hour with 1 drop of lemon, it becomes like this, as a honey. So we pour like as much as you want, and it's gonna become sweet and you can enjoy it. Let's go now to mix the stuffing for the big size of Qatayef. We have the walnut here, some coconut. I chose this. You can choose whatever you want. Mix it together. And this is cinnamon, like 1 spoon of cinnamon. Give it a nice taste. Mix it together. And then you put some syrup, a little bit of syrup. Just a little bit, don't put too much. Mix it this way. Okay, now this is a big size. We're gonna stuff it with the walnut and coconut. This way, we fill it nice, give it taste better. We close it from the side. Make sure to close it good, because after that, it's up to you. You can fry it with oil, of course, or you can bake it in the oven. This way. Of course, as I told you, you can stuff it with cheese. If you don't have like white cheese, you can stuff it with mozzarella cheese also. See, now we finished. We stuff it with I stuffed two kinds, the walnut, and this kind is I stuff it with white cheese. So now we're gonna fry it, deep fry, as you see here. The oil is hot. We'll fry it this way. You can of course bake it in an oven, of course. See, it's golden now. Take it out from the oil. soak it in the syrup which we made earlier. Okay, now we finish. As you see here, we have the two kinds of Qatayef, or three kinds actually. The dark one, it's stuffed with the walnut and the coconut, and it took this dark color from the cinnamon, of course. And we have here the light color, it's stuffed with cheese. Here we have this bites, Qatayef. It's just, we don't fry it, we don't do anything to it, just we put some cream on it, as you see here, and we put some decoration to look good and to give it better taste. Of course, we put, as I told you, the syrup, just some syrup like that, a little bit, because it's not sweet. If you don't like sweetness, you don't have to put it here. Okay. Now, as you see, we finished for today. I hope you will enjoy the taste, actually the crazy, and it's so tasty. Just go ahead and try it, and I hope you will like it. Thank you very much, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.